Jai Hind, dear students. I welcome you all in my geography class. In today's class, we will be starting second chapter inside our Earth. In this chapter, we will be studying about various layers of the Earth, rock and rock cycle. So let's start our chapter. The Earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. Why Earth is a dynamic planet? Earth is a dynamic planet because it keeps on changing from inside and outside. You might have seen mountain, plateaus, rivers on the surface of the earth. All these structures they keep on changing, but these changes are not in 100 or 200 years, but these changes happen in millions of years. When we see this diagram of interior of the earth, we can see that the earth have three layers. It is made up of three layers. The three layers of the earth are crust, mantle, and core. So the three layers are crust, mantle, and core. One by one, we will be studying all the layers. Starting with the first one, crust. Crust is the uppermost layer of the Earth's surface and it is also the thinnest layer. It is also known as lithosphere. The crust is divided into two. Okay, the first one is the continental crust and the second is the oceanic crust. The continental crust you will find on the surface of the earth and the oceanic crust you will find below the ocean floors. The continental crust is 35 kilometers deep and the oceanic crust is only 5 kilometers deep. Now we will be studying what are the main minerals constituents of the continental crust and oceanic crust. The continental crust it is made up of silica and alumina and combinedly it is known as Sial. And the oceanic crust it is made up of silica and magnesium and combinedly it is known as sema. Okay, so these are the minerals constituents of the crust. After the crust, the second layer is the mantle and it is 2900 kilometers. And the third layer is the core. So, first layer up to 35 kilometers, second layer up to 2900 kilometers, and the third one is the core, which is 3500 kilometers. Now, the core it is made up of NiFe, NiFe, nickel and ferrous. So, what is there present in the core? In the core, you will find nickel and ferrous, and combinedly, it is known as NiFe. And the temperature in the core is very, very high. So, dear students, in today's class, we have seen that Earth is a dynamic planet and we have seen the various layers of the Earth and we have seen what are the mineral constituents of the various layers. In our next class, we will be studying about rock, minerals, and rock cycle. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jai Hind.